You all outside, smoke, do the dishes. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna take a
Hi guys, in today's video we're at the Grenada's Craft and Spice Market in Grenada, located on Grenada's beach. So let's go inside and let's see what they have. So there are the food places on that side. So I see food stalls, but I just ate from that Grill Master place, so I'm not gonna get any food. Let's look for some spices. So to use the washroom and the lockers is $1 each. So I see crafts. In this she has vanilla beans. So it's for one for $5 US or two for $9 US.
We are the underwater sculpture. Those are $20. EC. $8. So for 20 EC or for 15 EC.
These crochet, oh, my weakness. I love them. I love this one. Oh, so nice. Mommy, you see anything you like? So they have spices. Look, you can also get your seashells here. Look how pretty they are. This one is really big, look. It's bigger. So as you guys probably know or may not know, that Grenada is the Spice Island, or the Isle of Spice, where you can get all of your nutmeg, cloves, aniseed. Look, she has nutmeg here. So that red skin that you see on the nutmeg is called mace. Yeah, and mace is what they use to make pepper spray. And then when you take the mace off, you have the shell. And then once you crack this shell, the nutmeg itself is inside of here. So if you shake it, you'll hear it moving around. Ooh, it smells like chocolate. So this is cocoa balls. Veronica's tasty cocoa balls. It smells so good. Chocolatey. So they sell the mace by itself. We have pimento berries, aniseed, clove, what else? Nutmeg, saffron, bay leaves, chili pepper. Okay, nice. Look at these big sticks of cinnamon. Really big. So that was just a look at one of the stalls here in the spice market. All of them would have the same items. They would have clothing and spices. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this quick vlog showcasing the spice market in Grenada. Be sure to visit them. It's very close to the airport. I would say about 20 minutes away. So until next time, bye.